Hello everyone, my name is Ritabile Konopo from Botswana. I'm a founder of Perako Foundation, a social enterprise that uses design, education, storytelling for change, and advocacy to tackle social injustice. I'm excited to be part of the Africa Legal Innovation Week. As a legal and systems designer, my job is to work with innovative teams within the legal industry and different sectors that want to embrace technology in its systems. This is a new legal profession, and obviously it raises a lot of eyebrows. The legal profession is known for being conservative with established paradigms of practice. However, over the past few years, we observe a radical change due to the advances in technology, the arrival of new stakeholders, and mostly the client's behavior evolving. Things have changed. Indeed, we live in a world of rapid and immediate information. Today's consumers, individuals, and businesses expect the legal service experience to be as easy as ordering food with Uber. It's time to innovate, and legal design may be the answer to comply with the new state of the legal market, a methodology, a new state of the mind to deliver law in the most impactful way. Legal professionals are facing questions such as, is my legal document understandable for my clients? Is my business designed to fit clients' demand? Is the use of technology relevant? Are other skill sets needed to stand out? Legal design can respond to this need of innovation. In a few words, legal design is a new way of thinking, a human-centered or user-centric one, and most legal experts are used to. The lawyer's mission is to solve a legal problem. The designer's mission is to solve a use case. It is the method of resolution that differs. The lawyer will focus first on the legal framework, while the designer will analyze the client's needs in depth. The lawyer will instantly adopt an analytical way of thinking, while the designer will empathize with his clients and adopt a creative way of thinking. Adapting the methodology of designers is not enough. The legal design process is about reconsidering one's practice as a whole. For centuries, lawyers and legal experts drafted legal documents without worrying about the recipient's comprehension skills. And yet the law is a linguistic code mastered by experts only. The first step in the legal design process is therefore making accessible all legal outputs. When the problem being addressed involves legal information, plain language treatment is essential in order for the targeted readers, obviously to easily understand what is at stake, to promote a better interaction, secure in negotiations, and avoid litigation. Plain language, when it comes to online legal information, is also a higher chance of attracting potential clients. We see different countries who have passed legislations that require documents such as insurance policies and consumer contracts to be written in plain language with common words and clear phrasing that readers can understand the first time through Plain Writing Act 2010 in USA, Flavor project led by the Supreme Court of Justice in Belgium. We see the Text Law Rewrite project in the UK. The governments of Australia, New Zealand, South Africa are endorsing the principles of plain language. When we talk about legal design, most people think about the front end of legal design. Visual design because it is the visible part of the iceberg. But what is legal design? Legal design is more than graphic design. At the bottom of the iceberg, the frameworks that we see is visual legal design, which is a way of presenting a legal information or document graphically designed. Service legal design, which is about designing innovative and user-centric legal services. We also see the business legal design framework, which is about rethinking one's business model to adapt to new customer needs in terms of transparency and accessibility. Organizational legal design is one of the frameworks that is highlighted. It's about designing more collaborative, efficient, and agile organizational processes. We see also system legal design, which is the most complex layer. It's about rethinking a whole public or state service as a whole with a human-centered approach. We notice today several initiatives by legal professionals and organizations around around the world who have integrated the legal design approach in order to comply with society's new expectations. For example, the Legal Design Lab of Stanford, where I spent some time there learning how to facilitate legal design, has done a tremendous work to make the court experience more user-friendly. We adopted the same model and we invented the Employment Justice Lab here in Botswana, which is a co-creation platform that brings together workers, employers, and other key stakeholders in different sectors to develop and experiment with innovative ways to realize a user-friendly justice systems. The lab was launched because employment justice is not easily accessible, human-centered to end users in the social system, and cannot be solved by individuals alone. It is a platform for experimentation. Just like in a lab, new ideas, tools, and prototypes are developed to address the access to justice issue. Just to get more on legal design, follow us in www.percofoundation.org. Thank you so much.